Hey, what's up, everybody? Justin with the Away in the Wilderness channel. I'm out here at a camp that I established yesterday. I've just been filming some videos. I've been out here for about a day and a half or so. Um, you know what? Before my coffee filter gets burned up, I better grab it. Anyway, I'm out here filming a few videos, and one of the things that I wanted to go over, which I think is really important if you're going to be out in a camp for more than an overnight, if you're going to be out for a couple, 2, 3, 4 days or something like that, it's very important to take care of your hygiene. And I don't think it's really talked about a ton on the internet. So I've kind of established and come up with a really good small system that covers all of my bases when it comes to hygiene in the woods. So what I'm going to do is get this small pouch situated with all of my hygiene items, and I'll get the camera set up and we'll go ahead and talk about it. All right, guys. So this is just a really small package. As you can see, it's probably about a 6x4 or something like that, just a zippered canvas pouch. And this is a waxed canvas. So let me go ahead and jump into the contents. And again, this is kind of a bushcrafty, type kit. So I kind of wanted it to be somewhat traditional. I enjoy that, doing more of the kind of traditional type camp. So I have my traditional type gear, and I do have a hygiene kit that is not so traditional. A couple of them actually, if I take on just hiking trips and things like that. But I just have a couple of these little tins here, and I think that these came from like some Burt's Bees hand salve or something like that, and I just repurposed them. So in one of them, sometimes they can be kind of hard to get open. One of them, I just keep some charcoal uh, tooth powder, obviously for brushing your teeth and keeping your teeth in order. And in the other one here, this is just some lip balm. I think this is one that my wife made, or this could be Burt's Bees. I'm not positive which one I put in here. But anyway, just something to keep your lips nice and moisturized in the cold weather, especially. My lips get really dry. So that's kind of to take care of your teeth. And along with that, obviously, you're going to need a toothbrush. I just have like a bamboo little toothbrush. Let's see here. This could also be utilized for your teeth, but I keep this small little container of baking powder. I'm sorry, baking soda. And this is very multifunctional, multi-use. You can use it for a lot of different things. I actually use this sometimes to put underneath my armpits as kind of a deodorant. Just keeps your armpits not so stinky. If you wash them with some water, throw some of this on there. You can also use this to brush your teeth with. You can mix it. Sometimes I'll mix it a little bit with the tooth powder, and works great for that. Sometimes I throw this in my boots if I've been hiking a lot and my boots are getting really moist and stinky or something like that. I can throw a little bit of this in there overnight. Kind of helps with the odor. So there's a lot of things that you can do with baking soda. So I think it's a really great thing to carry in your hygiene kit. Also really lightweight and small and compact. So along with that, I have a couple different things as far as soap. One of the things I have is just a couple of like charcoal little pieces of soap. I'm not sure exactly where I picked these up at, but yeah, just a couple little bars of soap that I keep in there. But I also keep some uh, Bonner's Castile soap, and this Castile soap I think is probably the best option to carry because you can not only use it for your body. I use it, to wash my body, obviously, usually just to wash my face for the most part. But then it's also uh, it also comes in handy to do your dishes with. You can use this Castile soap for anything, and you can use it to wash your clothes, anything like that. So it's sort of like those Camp Suds, things like that. Sea to Summit makes some, Coughlin's makes some, but Castile soap operates the same way. You can use it for everything. So that's why I like to carry that. And I'm big on flossing my teeth. I hate having things stuck in my teeth. Every time I brush my teeth, I floss them. And so I'm really big on taking care of my teeth. So I keep just this little small little container, glass container with some waxed dental floss in it. And obviously, it can come in handy as well if you needed some thread and you have a needle on you, which I typically will have some kind of a needle on me as sort of a repair item. So this floss you can actually use if you absolutely had to for that as well. Let's see. You don't ever want to run into an issue of getting a hangnail or something like that when you're out here. In fact, I need to trim up my nails anyway, so always keep some nail clippers on me. Those are always in here. And the last couple things, which maybe are not, maybe a lot of people don't carry. I like to if I needed to see anything. And this is a multifunctional item in and of itself. This is a stainless steel polished mirror. I believe I got this from Coughlin's. It's a pretty heavy duty one. I keep this in there. You can use a nail to nail this to a tree. So you could kind of get a look at yourself, clean yourself up, whatever you have to do. But it also can be used as a signaling device if you needed to signal for some reason. So it's multifunctional in that you can use it also as a survival tool to help you in some kind of an emergency. So it's just a signaling device on top of that. But generally in the hygiene kit, it's going to be used to nail to a tree so you can kind of have a look at what you're doing. Um, yeah, there's that. And then this is something I tossed in here a long time ago. If you've seen my videos recently, no need for me to have this in here. But I was recently going to grow my hair back out. I had my hair grown out a couple years ago. At the start of the channel, if you go back and watch those videos, you'll see videos with my hair a little bit longer. But this is just a stainless steel comb that I had in there. I thought it fit. If I ever do grow my hair back out, it's in there. And again, like I said, with the mirror, I have a couple, uh, actually, these are just some more hygiene devices. I have some tweezers here. If you needed to, get something out of your hand or whatever, anything you needed tweezers for, they're in there in the hygiene kit. This, I think, is some kind of a cuticle thing. It kind of just came in a kit with these, so I tossed it in there. I'm not entirely sure what that's even for. Um, and it came with this too, this little small nail file, which maybe in a pinch, I'm not sure. You could use this to touch up a nick on a blade or something like that. I'll have to test that out. But it's just a small, I think it's stainless steel, little nail file. So you could get yourself a little manicure out in the woods. No, I'm just kidding. I don't do manicures. All right, so I have a couple nails here, like I said, and these obviously very multifunctional. But like I said, to nail this to a tree, to kind of get a look at yourself, loosely nail that to a tree. So those are in there. And the last thing in the hygiene kit, a little bit of toilet paper. Got a couple little things of toilet paper, and then I also keep a handful of uh, these little pucks. I'm not sure exactly what you call them, but you just add a little bit of water to them, and they expand, and you'll have a nice clean towel, so you can wipe yourself down, wash your face, anything you needed to do with a small little rag. And they're actually pretty durable. So these come in very handy all the time. And then typically I have my mirror wrapped up so it doesn't get damaged or anything. Actually, I'll keep the polished side sitting kind of like that so it doesn't get any kind of nicks or anything in it in this bandana. And obviously, hygiene purposes, a bandana you could do tons of things with. Bandana is just so multifunctional in general. But there is my kind of traditional style bushcraft, if you will, hygiene kit. All right, guys, thanks again for joining me out here today for this quick video going over the contents of my hygiene kit. I really encourage all of you, if you don't have a hygiene kit, if you're going out for multiple days, don't let yourself get all funky. Take care of yourself. Get to go back to your wife smelling somewhat decent. My wife loves the smell of a campfire, so I'm good there. Typically, what I'll do is at night I'll sit by the fire, dry my feet out, wash myself up a little bit, brush my teeth, wash my face so I can lay down in my bed. And it really goes a long way in getting a better night's sleep when you're not all funky from the day. You don't stink and you get all those oils off of you and stuff like that. So that's what I like to do. And then in the morning, get up, brush my teeth, and go from there, get your day started. But anyway, guys, do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button. Go check out the videos. I'll leave a video to this camp that I'm actually out here doing. Been trying to film a few videos while I'm out here, but I really appreciate you guys, all of the new subscribers recently. Thank you so much. Happy New Year 2025. God bless. I'll see you guys on the next one.